Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Wix to Cloudflare in 2026. Do you want faster loading and better security for your Wix site? Cloudflare can help. And so let's connect it by following these few simple steps. The first thing you want to do is to go to cloudflare.com and then you're going to create an account by clicking on Start Free here, or you can see the pricing. After that, you're going to click on Add Sites after you create an account, and then you're going to enter your domain name. Now, once you enter your domain name, the second thing is to choose a plan. You can select the free plan and continue. Then you're going to get Cloudflare name servers, and Cloudflare will get you 2 name servers. You're going to copy them and then change the name servers in the domain provider. Now you're going to go to your domain provider, either Namecheap or GoDaddy, etc., and replace the current name servers with Cloudflare's and then save changes. After that, you're going to go to Wix by typing in Wix in Google. And then you're going to log in into your Wix by logging into your account's dashboard. Once you do that, you're going to go to the settings, click on the settings right here, and then you're going to click on domains. And after that, you're going to choose to connect via the DNS. Once you choose to connect via the DNS, you're going to keep Wix records exactly as shown, and then never enable proxy or cloud on Wix records. And always double check DNS values, and also the activations may take a few hours. And that's it. Your Wix site is now protected by Cloudflare. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.